In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve SSPPSC 2013 MCQ, that is the eigenvalues of the matrix 2b 3 minus 1 or minus 4 and b is equal to 1. Find b. Solution, that is, first of all, let's suppose a is equal to 2b 3 minus 1 and lambda is equal to minus 1. So eigenvalue formula, that is a minus lambda I. So lambda is equal to minus 4. So a minus into minus plus 4. So absolute of a plus 4 is equal to, so 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. b plus 0 is equal to b. Next 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 3. So absolute, that is 3 6 times is 18 minus 3b. So 18 is equal to 3 dividing by 3 on both sides. So 3 6 times is 18. So b is equal to 6, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.